Hi all, this is Vinay and I am Suman's cousin. 8 months elder to him. And I heard everybody speaking good about him.
We know what's coming.
And problem started when we met. Right, so we grew up together, and I think till 4 or 5 years we were okay, and then we started, right, playing, fighting, right, bunking schools together, right, making prank calls. I remember uncle had phone in Ramkot. Yeah, and we used to call randomly somebody and speak something and all that. I used to go to his school, bring him after 2-3 classes, and then we used to hide and home. And then somehow,
I didn't know that.
somehow Pinny used to know because she was teacher or principal, right? And then we used to know that evening what will happen, Mokalam. Right? So uncle said he never rose his hand on Suman. We used to be sure that in evenings, Doordarshan used to go, run in the background, and we both used to kneel down. Till now something goes wrong.
One group when everyone's coming and going. So yeah, he never raised his hand, but
Right. Yeah, and same thing with Pinny, right? And I think, right, Suman came to US early than me, but whoever knelt down is here in the States, right? So now, it's almost a year or so. When I came to US, they moved me from Minneapolis to Chicago, and it was a new place. I called Sumant. I said, this is the thing. Because all the arrangements were done in Minneapolis, it was a new place for me. I called Sumant. I said, I was staying in a hotel and I called him. I thought anyways he will come over a weekend or something like that. But next day he was there with me. We spent almost 3 to 4 days together, and then he helped me to find a place, right, which was really difficult for me to do. And I was thinking, after a week or so, I was thinking, probably I should go back to India. But he made it so easy, so comfortable, right? I didn't do anything. From things I need at my place, the room thing, everything he took care, and I just have to go and settle in my room. But that night I think there was some issue with the room, so then he said, don't worry, we will go to an hotel, and we stayed in the hotel, and then from next day I was on my own. He even took me to the metro, right, till my office. We walked, he showed me everything and brought it. So it made my life easy. So, but now we are together, we don't know what will happen. And Dagpini, Sam and Uncle are still there. And we don't mind kneeling down again. Yes, absolutely. Absolutely.
The boys will allow you to
Yes. Yeah. So thanks, Sumant, for everything.
thank you, Vinay, for being there. Thick and thin, thick as thieves.
Yeah. So thanks all.
There's this